beautiful people. I always love to start off my day with a nice womb supporting or digestion tea. Today is a cute little combination of both. These ingredients really help to ease pain during my menstrual cycle, and this was filmed like maybe a week or so before, so I always love to prepare for my cycle up to a week before. Summer is approaching, but in Georgia, and I feel like in a lot of places in the world, it has been raining like every day and super gloomy and weird. And so even though summer is looking really confusing right about now, I still want to make delicious foods that scream summer, and this watermelon juice definitely screams summer. Today I'm using the amazing Cuvings Auto 10 Plus. I love this juicer so much with the whole of my heart. It can do so many incredible things, like make sorbet, nut milk, smoothies, and of course cold pressed juices. And it has a 15-year warranty. I stand by Cuvings products. I've been using them for the past 2 years. Their products are some of the best on the market. And if you're interested in getting one for your own home, you can use my code ITALEATS and link in the description box for 10% off. This smoothie bowl came out just a little bit more runny than I had expected, but today was surprisingly not raining and I wanted something to cool me down. I didn't want to just do a regular smoothie. I wanted to be fancy, put it in my little coconut bowl, and it was super yummy. Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another Ital Eats and Treats video where we prioritize health and longevity. I have not done a what I eat in a day in a minute, so here is another one. Today is super high raw, or just like regular high raw, I don't know. But I just really wanted to make this because I feel like I have been really lacking on my leafy greens. I've been lacking like on my raw vibe, my raw like goals and everything. So today is going to be focusing on high raw foods, lots and fruits and veggies, whole heap of fruits and vegetables, and I'm just so excited to share this with you all. I'm so excited for summer as well, so these are going to be a lot of summer inspired and influenced recipes. If you want more fully raw vegan recipes, you can go ahead and check out my new fully raw vegan no cookbook. It features over 60 exclusive raw vegan recipes. Okay, with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. So the inspiration for this salad actually came from the fact that one day I wanted to make a salad and I did not have any greens in the fridge. I was so upset. I actually had gotten greens and I left it at the store and I was devastated. So the same day I actually developed this recipe and it was delicious. So by and behold, sometimes when things happen, you have to use it for the better. I was able to get a delicious recipe just because I was disappointed and I had to make do with what I had. This recipe was super yummy. The link will be in the description box. Absolutely delicious and so incredible. been on a mission to find my favorite everyday matcha. So I've been spending a lot of money on matcha. This matcha is by a brand called Hojicha. It's super good. I just don't think it's necessarily worth the price. It's pretty expensive for the amount of grams that you get if you use about 3 grams. Because this is 30 grams, we're only getting about 10 drinks and the price is pretty pricey. Overall, it tasted quite nice. The matcha taste just wasn't like super duper strong, but it did have like a floral background and it was tasty, and the tin is super gorgeous.
Don't let the street lights lead you all alone. You know it's dangerous to go alone. Don't let the street lights hit you. Can I be your player too? I'll follow wherever you go, whatever you do.
Look at this color, like the color is actually gorgeous.
7 years of the perfect love, 7 more and another one,
So yummy.
and another.
I need my vitamin C. I need the energy boost. I need the immunity boost. And so I was at this local farmers market the other day and I saw these lychee for such a good price. You all have to make sure you're going to your Asian farmers markets. I go there for all my Jamaican stuff, and they also have stuff from literally like all around the world, from Latin America, from Asia, from Africa. These lychee were so amazing, so delicious, so sweet, and I love the fact that I was able to eat lychee without getting them in a syrup or in a can.
I'll follow wherever you go, whatever you do. Play it too.
Apart from my daily matcha, I've also incorporated something called Hojicha. This is super tasty and it is basically roasted matcha, roasted green tea powder. It is so much more affordable than a regular matcha, and it basically has little to no caffeine. This is so great for people who have caffeine sensitivity. It tastes super nice, like a combination of cacao and a little bit of bitterness. It is so yummy, and I make it the same way as my matcha, and it really helps me to just calm down and settle into the night right before I have my dinner. For dinner, we're gonna go ahead and make a mixture of sweet potato for carbs and red kidney beans for protein. Putting this in a salad, and this salad is gonna be spiced with Ethiopian Berebere spice. This tasted delicious. We're really big up my Ethiopian people. Their food is so good. Their spices are so unique and delicious, and it was the star of the show for the salad. I got my leafy greens in, I got my vegetables in, my tomato in, and of course I got my carbs and my protein. This was so incredible. I loved it. It was tangy, it was delicious, it was savory, so good. 10 out of 10. Wind down every night, I have been making sure to make a delicious and easy combination of lavender and chamomile. This tea is super tasty and it's so refreshing. I love to have it before I go to bed so it can help me be able to sleep without doing things like NyQuil or anything. These are just stuff from nature. Thank you so much for tuning in on this video today. Let me know what you want to see next and what recipes you want to see next. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!